Hey everybody, this video is for people who are just joining Asana so you can get an idea how it works, and for people who are just joining the integrated math team. If you need more in-depth information about Asana, in their help tab they do have the videos that they've created, but I wanted to create one that was specific to the tasks that we were doing. So let's take a look at one of the task cards in integrated math to see the flow of it. For each lesson, you'll have the lesson title, and for the person writing the draft, in this case it's me, that will help you figure out the topic of the lesson. If you need more resources, textbooks, just let me know. Let Carolyn know. I guess another thing I should say at the start of this tutorial for integrated math is Carolyn Simmons, and you'll see her in here as the editor, is going to be the lead on the integrated math project. So if you have any questions or problems about the content itself, you can send her a message through Asana and she will help you with that. If you're going to be late on deadline or if you're unsure what you're supposed to be doing, she will have that information. If you have issues with the LMS and that type of stuff, then you can still contact me. Okay, so back to the flow. In this case, I would write the draft. Once I am done with the draft, I will upload it here. So if you are someone else doing the draft, you're going to go to this attachment file from your computer and you should upload the Word doc. At the bottom, I think it goes under here or up here, you'll start to see these attachments. So we'll have that first draft there. From that point, the next 4 people can start to work, and that would be someone finding a video that matches the content, and most of them will be through Khan Academy. And when you do that, I'm just going to have you copy the link and put it in the comment box. It will show up down here for whoever's going to import it to the LMS. And then someone will take the images out of the lesson and create them as individual files. And I will show you a completed card in a second. I just wanted to go through the flow first. Lesson edit will be Carolyn, so she might send it back to you and ask you to add something or change something around. In that case, you would re-upload it and change the name as edited with your initials, and I can show an example of that as well. The quiz would start to be written right after the draft is uploaded, even if it's not edited yet, because you will have an idea of the general topics from that. And I know everybody on this project doing that type of work has the math background, so you can just jump in right there. Once those 4 people are done, the next set will be editing the quiz and image extract from the quiz. When those 2 people are done, then we can start the import to the LMS. And this one's going straight into SmartFox. Everyone on this will have worked on SmartFox before, so you shouldn't need a login or anything. And if you have questions, of course, ask me. But I think everybody's familiar with the process at this point. So when you are done, I didn't say this before, you'll just click the little green checkbox. So whatever your task is, you're attaching it to the card and then clicking the green checkbox so I can see where we are. That also helps the other people on the team to see when they can start working. You can use the comment box here to ask questions about this particular lesson. There's a bigger chat room for general questions, but for this particular 1.1, anything that's an issue, you see a mistake or something's missing or not clear, you can just write it in here. If you do the whoever, like say me, it will send me a message to say, go check this card, somebody wrote something to you. So that's one way to get in touch with both me and Carolyn or anybody else on the team. A couple other things in here if you're brand new to Asana. Oh, I wanted to show a completed card, so, or at least to see what the uploads look like. So you see here was the quiz. In this one we were still importing content from another site, so the lessons aren't there. You see the quiz and then all of the images for each question are individually uploaded. And I did the edits on this quiz, so I did my initials, edit, and resaved it, re-uploaded it. So don't delete anything that anyone else does, just upload your new stuff and put your initials on it if you're duplicating something. Okay. The other thing is, so here's the conversation. There's nothing in there now, but all 9 people who are on this project will get these messages. So, I mean, if you have a general question or you want to ask other people for help with something, you can place it in here. In your tasks, this is everything you have due and by date. You can see mine's kind of crazy right now. So if you click here, you go straight to the card as well. And you can upload here. You can click that you're done. I think it doesn't give you the entire... Okay, so this is just my task in 2.7. If I click here, then I get the whole card. Okay, that makes sense. And then you can make particular comments here about just this task. I tried to disable notifications for everything to everybody, so if you're still getting a ton of emails, just let me know and I will try to figure out how to turn them off. I think I got everybody, but I may have missed somebody here and there. The other thing is your calendar will also show you everything you personally have to do. And I think that's it. Again, in the help, they have other videos that will be more Asana general. I just wanted to give you an overview of this particular project. So again, the lead on these integrated math courses will be Carolyn. If you are on any of these courses, I will still be the lead for that. So if you have any questions or concerns, just you can do a comment in here. I think everybody has my email address. If you're still on Upwork or Fiverr, you can message me there as well. So yeah, any questions, let me know, and thank you, everybody.